everyone, welcome back to How Ines Rolls. As you can see, no groceries, but in a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you what we get from Walmart. Let's go. We are on our way now. It's kind of late at night, and so I just want to do this quickly, but we're going to take Ezra and we're going to go somewhere extra special before we head over to Walmart. So we'll take you along with us. So we thought before we'd head into Walmart that we went and got half off shakes at Sonic. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Ezzy? Mm-hmm. What you gonna get?
A material on the top with vanilla.
Vanilla? Mm-hmm. And I'll get chocolate banana. They have lots of choices. Paul, what are you gonna get?
An ice cream cone.
Really? Not even a small shake?
Why do I hate
Well,
ice
look
cream?
at you. Impressive.
I
We thought you hated ice cream.
If I don't stay soft in the middle, then I won't be as huggable.
Ezra and I both got little mini ones, so it's just perfect. He already had the cherry, and now it is nice to eat. Can't wait. So at our Sonic, and I think at all Sonics, after 8 p.m., it is half off their shakes. So it's a nice little treat for the summer. Here we go. It's such a nice evening tonight. There's like hardly anybody here. This is really like the best time to be here at Walmart. It's kind of like about 9 o'clock at night, so. But of course, we have to go look down the toy aisles before we could even get our food. What do you see, Ezzy? All the Legos.
I saw that in the Lego magazine, the monster, the lava monster.
Look who's falling asleep in the cart. Oh. All right, Ezzy, I need to put some chicken in there. I'll get you out. So it's way late. It's like after 10 o'clock. I'm so tired. In fact, you saw that Ezra fell asleep in the cart. He was so funny. Anyways, I will show you what I got. I spent $159. Let's do this. I mean, it's for the week. So, boom, let's go through. Okay, first up, I got some tortillas. So I have the makings to make enchiladas. So I might make those for this week. And I got some mild cheddar, which is, medium cheddar. This is my favorite slice of cheese. Boys like to make cheese sandwiches. So now that they're home, they're eating a little bit more, it feels like. So I'm gonna be making pancakes for them for breakfasts. And those tend to last a little longer. So I can make that whole box, and I think it's enough for about 4 days for my kids. I got 2 of these yogurts, one for Paul and one for the kids. Guess one which is for Paul? This one. No, I'm just kidding. This one. I'm teasing. Okay, and then I got 3 pounds of ground beef. We're going to have a little get together, I think, for Paul's birthday. So I don't know if I may have this video out for his birthday or before his birthday. But if you could tell him happy birthday in the comments, how about that? I also got some vanilla ice cream, and I don't want to pick it up, but a big watermelon. How about that? Let's move on. All right, next up, I have some foil. So we tend to have, we have a bunch of foil, but they're really heavy duty. So I just like this thinner foil for making baked potatoes. And I also have some oil because I'm running low on vegetable canola oil. I also have olive oil, so I like using some different oils. These ones are good for a higher temperature, like frying potatoes. So I think I'm gonna be making some of those this week. I got a couple of these Grandma Sycamore breads, which is a really yummy white bread. If you haven't had it and your store offers it, it's delicious. And then we got the Killer Dave's, the extra wheat bread. But it's a little pricey, but it's because it's organic and it's really good. So those will all go in the freezer. I also got a little bit more milk, although it started to leak because the top isn't screwed on right. I'm so sure. Okay. I got some Prego and some Italian mix, and I feel like I needed this for a recipe I was doing some research on, so hope I can remember it and hope I can find it. I also got, there are 10 pounds of chicken breast, which is pretty much comparable to Costco. They have the big size of the chicken breast, but the difference is that Walmart's are like normal size. Costco's are like this big. They're ginormous and it's weird. But these are regular size, so I appreciate that a whole lot more. You do have to cut off a little bit of the fat around the chicken breast, which I'm totally fine with. So let me put those away and get the rest going. All right, next up we have all of the veggies and fruits, I think, in my grocery haul. So I have bananas because, well, I might have gotten a lot, but I'm going to be making something with them, so stay tuned. And I got a few of these, some little baby carrots, and I got a couple of celeries, which I wasn't sure how much. We were trying to figure out how much they were, but I can't find the receipt now, so I'm sure I'll find it. But I know that celery has been on the increase, the price, because everybody's doing that the celery juice, which is so good for your health. So if you have a juicer, maybe you could try that sometime and let me know what you think. But it's good stuff. I got some corn, and then I got just some potatoes. So I've been getting these yellow ones recently, like the Yukon Gold or like the next step up, because I'm not liking how the potatoes are smelling. Now, I read an article recently about McDonald's and how they were very specific on the potatoes they buy, and there was actually some, because of the pesticides, they actually have to put them in these football field size storage units to let it emit and air off some of those pesticide smells. So every time I buy the potatoes, I always smell them, and I can smell something. I don't know if it's that, but I'm like always freaking out. So now I try to smell out the potatoes first before I buy them and pick them. So we're getting near the end here. I let Ezra pick out some chips. He picked out Doritos. So that'll be for lunches and maybe some snacking or something. And then Paul picked out these tortilla chips. We still have some nacho cheese in the pantry, so maybe that'll be a quick dinner idea. I also got Ezra's favorite waffles. So that will be, I only got one because remember I have the pancake mix. So we'll get that going in the freezer. I also got some Crystal Light. This one's our favorite. The strawberry banana orange one. So good. I also got these lemon waters. Have you ever had these? They are so good. Now, it's not like sparkling water, which takes an adjustment to get used to them, and I actually do like them. But this is just flavored water. It almost has like a sweetness to it, but it isn't. I don't know what it is, but it's just fruit flavored. And I know for some people, like Tina, has a harder time drinking water, and so she likes to flavor her water. They are selling these at Walmart for $1.50 for 6. And they have berry and orange. They have other flavors too. I think berry, orange, lemon. Anyways, they have different flavors. And we got some of this in the freezer section. We thought we'd get that for Paul because we aren't going to be getting any more of the protein shakes for him for a minute. So we wanted to try something different. So I told him, let's try that. And I got him some almond milk so we can make those in the morning. Seems like a good idea. And at Walmart, this was $4.50 for 3 packs. So I thought that was a good price for what you're getting inside it. So we'll see I'll keep you posted. I also bought some more Greek yogurt so I can make some more bagels. So the kids love the bagels, and I do too, actually. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here. It's 2 ingredients, so easy. Okay, we're near the end, so I got some more eggs because that'll be perfect for hard boiling or just having for breakfast. I got some cookies for the kids and maybe for me too. Who am I kidding? Okay, so these are the big packs. And also we have some desserts to plan with some friends and get together. So hopefully I can smash some of those up. We'll see. That's what all of these are for too. Marshmallows, white chocolate chips, bigger chocolate chips, and some peanut butter chips. So you'll see what those are for. We're gonna be using them for a video coming up very soon. And then I told Paul we should get him at least some granola bars or some kind of protein bar, and he really likes these Kind bars. They are gluten-free. So then, because Paul was picking out a granola bar, I caved and let Ezra pick these. So these are gonna be for the boys. I'm just not a huge fan of, packaged granola bars. It's just my preference, just because I have an excellent recipe for granola bars, which I'll link up here. So easy, so good, delicious, and you do bake them. They're not a no-bake, they are baked. And I just love them so much. So I usually make a lot of them in the summer for getting ready for back to school. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So Ezra, he got these ones. So let me know in the comments if you get some of these items. Maybe if you choose some different, what's your favorite granola bar? If there's like a healthier choice. I know that Paul likes the gluten-free stuff, so we don't get too many of those things because we just try to eat whole ingredients for him. But as you can tell, we are still enjoying our summer with all of these little treats too. So I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you love watching hauls. I do too. Also, remember that my t-shirt that's going on sale they'll be taking the last orders on Saturday, June 8th. And then they'll be shipping them out. So thank you so much to my friends who've already been purchasing them. I deeply appreciate it. And they are so cute, aren't they? So just try to get your orders in before June 8th and you'll get one soon. So thanks for stopping by. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, guys.